Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to unbox this cute little parcel here, and this is a box of jewelry, earrings to be specific. It's from everstylish.com, and I saw this website on Facebook, and then I found the earrings cute. So I decided I'll order some. Actually, it's my first ordering from them, and I had placed my order on the 1st of September, and today is 9th. It came in the evening today, and I was not expecting the delivery to be this fast, but then it came. So yeah, I thought I will just show it to you guys what's inside. So let's get tearing. My iconic scissor again. Oh my god, getting blunt. I think I had ordered 5 pairs of earrings, and the total came to about 643, but then the delivery guy told me he had no change and he would just take 650 rupees. The first time he called, I was in the kitchen and I did not hear the calls. So when I came back inside, I saw two missed calls. Two missed calls, and I called him back. And then he told me he's already returning, and then I asked him to come back, and he came, but he asked for rupees 20 extra. Huh? He was like, the fuel is like, the price of fuel is very high these days, and blah blah blah. But I bargained, and I gave him 10 rupees extra just for missing his call. So this is the box. Let's see what's inside. It better be good. It was pretty on the picture, okay? So it came in this. There's this sponge, whatever, to keep it safe during transportation. There's your invoice. Look, pretty, if you can see that. Like how they do that. This is the first one, and there's this loop earrings. I don't know if it would look good on me, but it was pretty on the picture. What's this? Did I order this? Oh, maybe I had. It's a chain, silver. Oh my god, I did not expect this to be this huge. Oh my god. These are golden studs, no? I don't know if I would look good on it. This is another earring. Maybe I'll try it on now. These are really huge. I mean, like in the picture, it was not this huge. Let's see. I don't know, but I think I like it. Just keep it now. And this, like, it looked a little smaller in the picture, okay? Oh my god, it's kind of large. I like the design though. I don't know. And this is the chain, the chain, yeah, the silver chain. This is the studs, and these are long dangling earrings. This is pretty though. This one, I don't know. This loops. to pick them. And this also, like, see, these are really huge. Oh my god. I don't know. I would have liked it if it were more, if it were a little smaller than this. I mean, my face is tiny, so this looks enormous on me, but maybe I can give it to my sister. I don't know, I'll just keep it now. Yeah. So yeah, that's that. This is like, I don't know, it looks nice only now. I'll just keep it. So yeah, these are the earrings from Ever Stylish. If you find the earrings nice, you can order it for yourself also. Yeah, this. And yeah, that's that. Bye bye. I'll see you in another video.